Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And I had quite a few requests about the point in time feature that is now been added to the Windows 11 operating system. So, with the latest updates in the patch Tuesday, when you go to Windows Update and Advanced Options and Recovery, you will see that point in time restore exists. So, we can view or edit. So, first comments, a lot of people saying you can't change the frequency and the retention. This is not a totally complete feature. So, right now it stays great for everybody, but eventually it will be something you'll be able to change. So, that's the first thing. Now, when you have it working, you might see that there are restore points. And the main question a lot have been asking is, how do I access these restore points? This is where it becomes a little kind of difficult. It's that you have to go into the recovery mode of the PC. So you have to hold down the shift key, the left shift key, while you're actually restarting and have the computer go into its recovery mode. This is the only way right now you can actually access the point in time restore points. Once you're in that recovery mode, you go into the troubleshooting options and point in time restore is there. And once you click on it, you'll see that the other thing that's going to appear is the time of the point in time restore points. And this is where it all happens instead of happening through the point in time restore panel. So a lot of you have been asking me, well, this would be really nice to have it there. I think it will eventually be in the panel itself, and it will do its job by restarting and everything. I think we're just not there yet because they wanted to show us the new feature. They wanted to show us that it, at least for now, it works, and you can actually go and choose a restore point. But that eventually will be all of that will be in the settings panel itself. So this is just something that you have to know, that right now the only way to restore a point is to go into the recovery mode and choose the point in time restore point from there. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.